chick. Running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I paid enough for petty dues. I put enough for...
I got that California.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl A.MaRee, and yes, I know y'all seen that intro, right? Y'all seen that intro. Your girl trying to do new things. So we're gonna jump in and do a Shop My Stash makeup look. So we started off with the Juvia's Place Festival palette, and we're gonna go in with that red and a little bit of that black just to put in our transition area, and we're gonna go heavy. So I'm patting first, and then we're gonna blend out once we go on to the next eyeshadow color. And y'all know my technique. We like to pat, 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 and pile that color on until it's time to blend. So now I'm gonna go back into the Festival palette and dip into that orange, and we're gonna marry it right with that red and black shade, and we're gonna pat as well, and we're gonna keep it as close as possible so that you can see the transition of the colors. Now we're gonna go into my Bay. We're gonna go into the Zulu palette, and we're gonna start off with that orange, and we're gonna put it on the outer portion of our eye, and we're going to keep it right there as a transition color, but we are going to go in with a yellow as well. So you see me blending it. I pressed it in first, I tapped it on first, and then I blended it out because I don't want that area to look as harsh as the rest of the eye look. We want to make sure everything is blended out flawless. And I did go ahead and do my eyebrow bone. I think it was off camera though. So I do apologize about that. But I had did my eyebrows and stuff off camera, and y'all, them eyebrows is snatched. Okay? That eyebrow is snatched. So now we're going to go in back to the Zulu palette, and we're going to pull in my Ride or Die yellow, and we're going to pat it in the beginning of the inner portion of the eye, and we're going to blend that out too once we build up to the color that we want. Y'all let me know what y'all think about that intro though. Y'all let me know. And y'all also gotta stay for the rest of the video because you gotta see that outro, boo-boo. You got to see the outro. So you see me just patting and blending all at the same time, and we're making sure that the yellow and the orange does connect with our gold brow bone. You want everything to flow like one without no hesitations. So now we're going to go in with this new Wet n Wild Color Icon pigment. I forgot the shade, so it will be linked down below. But you guys, I bought this a while back. Well, not a while back, but like a month or two ago. And oh my God. Do you hear me? Oh my God. It is bomb. So yes, I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in medium just to cut out my cut crease. And I'm going to show y'all a little bit of how that cut crease, how long it actually takes to do a cut crease. But because the cut creases take so long, I had to cut the video down some because y'all be here all day, okay? All day. And the brush that I'm using to cut out this crease is completely like a brush that I got off like Amazon or somebody. It has no name, but I've been rocking with this brush for the longest. And I've bought a lot of different cut crease brushes, but this one, I mean, it just does the job for me the way I need it to, really, really fast. First of all, y'all, can we take a moment of silence for them eyebrows? Like, girl, them eyebrows. But y'all see how the loose pigment is going on, right? Like, y'all see this Wet n Wild? Like, don't sleep on Wet n Wild. I done told y'all, Wet n Wild is like ride or die, we never leaving type of makeup line. Like, I won't ever leave Wet n Wild. That loose pigment is life, though. Like, seriously, life. And you really don't have to use a lot. You don't have to use much. You don't have to wet it before putting it on. It just gives you that pop that you need. Like, it is so pigmented. It is the best. So now we're going into my Jazzy Girl Cosmetics palette. It's the Wind Down palette. It's an Instagram company, and I have been loving that black. I used the same brush that I was using with the orange and the yellow to dip into the black, and I did not dust it off or anything because I wanted to give the illusion of the black, orange, and yellow in it. So I decided not to clean off the eyeshadow brush. So I like the way I've been doing like the close-ups and then far away, so you guys can actually see what your girl is actually doing. But I love that black for some reason. That black in that palette is a bomb. So now I'm going in with my my NYX Veil eyeliner. And we're going to do a tailor-made type of wing liner. I've been trying this lately, but I decided I wanted to actually do a wing and not short stop it. And I actually like the way it came out. I wish I just knew how to do my wing liners thicker. I cannot master that for nothing in this world. So I'm going to keep trying, but today I just decided not to, push the limits because the eyeshadow look came out cute as ever. So I wasn't going to test my luck and then mess up the whole eye. So we're just going to leave it just like that. And I'm telling y'all, I love this look. I love this fall look. Y'all know I'm all about the oranges and the yellows anyway, so this look just came out extra cute to me. And the contacts I'm wearing, if y'all wanted to know, if y'all are curious, I am wearing Pure Royalness contacts in green. I just got them in a PR box, I think it was last week. And they are very pretty, but I do love the gray ones better. I can honestly say that. I love the gray ones better. So y'all know I pulled out my Rimmel, excuse me, my Rimmel London foundation, and everybody knows all the products I'm using is in my Shop My Stash. If y'all haven't seen that video, please go check it out so y'all know what type of products I've been using lately. But that foundation I used to love when I first bought it, so that's what made me pull it back out. And as you could tell, you could see why I loved it, because it is lightweight and it really is a medium to full coverage type of foundation, and it is a good shade for me. So now I'm going to go in with my Revlon Candid Concealer in the shade Deep. This is a new concealer that I've been using. I did do a full video review on it, so please check the little iCard, because that concealer is freaking... I'm not going to tell you, because if you haven't seen the review, you have to go and check out the review to know my thoughts. So check out the review. So we're going to go with our Black Radiance Banana Powder, which y'all know I love this stuff. Y'all have to use a very light hand when you're applying the Black Radiance Banana Powder, because you can get that bad flashback if you use too much. You have to go in very lightly, but it gives such a flawless look to your makeup. Oh my God. It is absolutely amazing. Black Radiance, if you're watching, I love this stuff. Like, so seriously. I pulled it out and I haven't put it back yet. I pulled out maybe 3 setting powders for the month of November, and you guys, I've only used this one. That's it. Just this one. So now we're going in with our Nika K Duo Contour, and we're going to mix the two, dust off, and contour our face. And I learned from, I think it was Makeup Shayla, if you contour higher, more higher towards your cheekbone, then in your hollow spots, it makes your face look well lifted and even more snatched. So that's exactly what I've been doing. I just been contouring more upward than in my hollows, if that makes any sense. Oh, y'all see that? Oh my God. Oh my God. But watch how I fix it though. Watch how I fix it. Watch how your girl fix it. Just keep watching. Trust the process. I'm telling you. Bam. Whoa, whoa. Uh-oh. Did it disappear? Oh. Don't ever come for me in the comments. Your girl know what she doing. Trust me. I know what I'm doing. Now I'm going in with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deep, just to set in the rest of the areas that I did not set, as well as go over my contour and over that banana powder just a little bit, so that I can get rid of the flashback. Any excess powder that's on my face, it will disappear right now. She cute. Now we're going in with what's left of my Milani Make It Last setting spray. Y'all know that will be in the empties video, because that was it, boo-boo. That was all of it. I love that stuff. I'm going for bottle number 5. And now we're on to Elegancy Boutique Lashes in the Style Desire. I was about to say in the shade, y'all. I'm all messed up. In the Style Desire, which I love. I do have a coupon code if you look down below in the hot box. I absolutely love them. Now we're going back in the Festival palette and taking that white shimmery eyeshadow to put it in the inner tear duct, just to make our eyes look a little bit more popping. And I did go off camera and do the waterline with my my NYX Jumbo White pencil. And I did do my mascara, which is Maybelline. And now I'm back in my Jazzy Girl Cosmetics in the gold eyeshadow to do a highlight. And then I'm going to go over it with Maybelline Topaz highlight, just to give it an extra, yeah, no. And we're going to line our lips with the NYX Espresso. And we're going to use our NARS Creamy Radiance Concealer in Amande. Oh, yeah, I'm moving too fast. I went in with my Juvia's Place Warriors palette and dipped into that gold. My bad. My bad. But like I was saying, the NARS Creamy and Radiance Concealer in Amande, and we're going to top that off with our lips, and then that'll be the end of the video. Y'all let me know what y'all think. I hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so you won't miss another video from your girl. I love you all, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.